Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. Well, we have beautiful weather so far this morning, and we're going to continue for the next couple of days as an unseasonably warm weather pattern will be arriving here today and continuing into the day tomorrow, as we'll see daytime high temperatures in the low to mid 70s for both today and for Friday. Looking at the conditions across the region yesterday, we saw pretty warm temperatures, not quite as warm as what we'll see today, but we did see a high temperature reading of 69 degrees at Wallops, 76 degrees at Norfolk, and low 70s being reported all throughout the Tidewater region at Newport News and Langley Air Force Base, all coming in at 73 degrees. A little cooler off to our north, as you can see, Baltimore only making it up to 60 degrees, Washington, D.C. at a daytime high of 64. Overnight last night, temperatures pretty wide ranging throughout the region. 49 degrees in Baltimore. We made it down to 60 degrees, so a pretty mild evening here at Wallops. As you can see, other warm locations last night, Ocean City only making it down to 60 degrees, and Salisbury came in at 56 degrees. A trace of precipitation reported at Washington, D.C. over the past 24 hours, everybody else remaining dry, and as of 9 a.m. we see those temperatures rebounding into the low 60s, 63 degrees at Wallops as of the 9 a.m. hour under mostly cloudy skies. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, those winds out of a southerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere. Then as we get up to around 16,000 feet, we see those winds become more westerly in direction and increase in that speed up to 40 knots at the 25,000 foot level, where we see a west-southwesterly wind direction. Our freezing level is at 10,300 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see the frontal boundary that was to our south a couple of days ago has made its way to the north, and we're seeing a warm southeasterly flow as a result. It's going to keep us pretty mild for today and for Friday, as we see those warm southerly breezes push our temperatures up into the 70s. As you can see, really no threat for precipitation today, as we remain dry throughout the morning and afternoon hours. As we look at the radar and the satellite imagery here, you can see a little bit of virga moving through the region earlier this morning, nothing reaching the ground, and as you can see, cloudy skies becoming a little less cloudy off to the west, as we see decreasing cloudiness on its way here today, and we'll see more sunshine and some warmer temperatures as we go into the afternoon as a result. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, throughout the afternoon hours today, we'll stay dry with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions. Going into the nighttime hours with those mild and humid conditions, we'll see some patchy fog possibly developing overnight here at Wallops as we go into the overnight into the early morning hours of Friday. Could see some patchy fog in the region, but that will quickly burn off during the morning hours of Friday, and we'll see mostly sunny skies continuing through the day on Friday with warm temperatures, those winds out of a southwesterly direction out ahead of this frontal boundary that will be approaching the area from the Midwest. So a mild day in store for your Friday as well, with unseasonably warm conditions, daytime highs pushing into the mid 70s. Looking at the Friday evening planner, you can see that frontal boundary very weak in nature, and really not expecting much precipitation out of this whatsoever, but we will see the chance of some light rain showers overnight Friday and into the day on Saturday. They'll be pretty scattered in nature, and shouldn't see any kind of moderate to heavy precipitation. Anything that we get during this time frame should be light in nature and really not amount to a whole lot during the day on Saturday. What we will see are some cooler temperatures arriving on Saturday, as the winds will shift onshore, expecting some northeasterly breezes, which will take our temperatures on Friday from the mid 70s all the way into the low to mid 60s on Saturday. Still a pretty comfortable temperature for this time of year, but not seeing those unseasonably warm temperatures for your Saturday, as we will see a cooler air mass in the region. Looking at the next 24 hours for today, again, beautiful weather in store for us. Looking for a daytime high temperature of 75 degrees with light winds. Our highest winds will likely be in the afternoon out of the southeast at around 4 to 8 knots, and continuing out of the southeast as we go into the overnight hours tonight dying down to around 3 to 6 knots. May even see the winds go calm for a period of time overnight tonight, which will allow for us to have a pretty decent chance of some patchy fog developing overnight as well. Looking into the early morning hours of tomorrow, we'll see the patchy fog hanging in here in probably about 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or so. Any kind of patchy fog that we do have will be quickly dissipating, and we'll see mostly sunny skies in store for your Friday. Looking ahead to the day on Friday, we'll see a high temperature of 76, and Friday night, looking at mostly cloudy to overcast conditions, we'll see a pretty quick increase in our cloudiness as that frontal boundary approaches the area, giving us a slight chance of some overnight rain showers on Friday, and then a slight chance on Saturday as well. As you can see, we've got these precipitation chances colored yellow for the 16 to 40% chance, probably looking at about a 20 to 25% chance of any kind of rain activity during the day on Saturday. So not a very high chance for precipitation, and any kind of rain activity that we do get will be fairly light in nature. Looking at the next 7 days, you're going to see again that light rain chance early in the day on Saturday, also overnight Friday, and then as we go into the rest of the weekend, we'll see warmer temperatures arriving once again on Sunday with a high of 70 degrees expected. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, we'll see a weak disturbance move through the area. Could spark off a few light rain showers Monday evening into early Tuesday morning, and then some cooler weather in store for us behind that frontal boundary that moves through Monday night into Tuesday morning. Looking at a high temperature of 65 on Tuesday, 63 on Wednesday, and that is when we'll see the arrival of our next more significant system, likely coming into the Wallops region Wednesday evening into Thursday, where we could see some more significant rainfall amounts by the mid to end of next week. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning for our 8:15 and our 10 a.m. weather briefings. Have a nice day.